मित्रों, आज हम होम्योपैथिक दवा लाइकोपोडियम के बारे में जानेंगे। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your family doctor before using any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. मेडिसिन लाइकोपोडियम के महत्वपूर्ण लक्षण इस प्रकार हैं। Disposition to be very hearty when sick, mistrustful, peevish, comprehension difficult, does not seem to understand anything one says to them, memory weak, anxious dreams of fatal accidents. In the abdomen, symptoms of Lycopodium are great deal of noisy flatus in the abdomen, or particularly in the right hypochondriac region. There seems to be a constant fermentation in the abdomen, which produces a loud croaking sound. This remedy is much used for troubles of the liver. There may be great pain or some other trouble in this region, with much rumbling of wind in the left hypochondriac region, vomiting of sour matter, dyspepsia with loud croaking in the abdomen, affections of the inner lower belly, inguinal range, inguinal hernia, obstructed flatus, extreme hunger. Urinary symptoms of Lycopodium are clear transparent urine having a heavy red crystallized sediment in the bottom of the chamber. In typhus fever, for example, where the patient is in a very slow state and can't retain the urine, we may see this sediment on the sheets. Also in colic of babies, with much sediment of this kind on the diaper. A very severe pain is felt in the back every time before urinating, causing the patient to cry out. Retention of urine. Patients will get into position to urinate, but wait a great while before the water comes, accompanied by the characteristic pain in the back, which ceases when the urine flows. Children often cry out with pain before urinating, complaints while passing water, affections of the urethra. Symptoms of Lycopodium in chest are affections of the right side of the throat, for all troubles commencing there, though they may spread to the left side. Ascertain on which side the trouble began, right side Lycopodium, left side laxis. Respiration with mucus rattle, expectoration grey, purulent, that is pus-like, taste of expectoration salty. Arsenic, Lycopodium, phosphorus, pulsatilla, sepia have this symptom in a very marked degree. Very white, profuse secretion of mucus, palpitation of the heart, with or without anguish, with flapping of the wings of the nose, enlargement of the heart, hypertrophy in general. Sexual symptoms of Lycopodium are male impotency, as when in health. Otherwise, sexual desire is felt, but there is no erectile power. In female, menstruation too late, lasts too long, sometimes a suppression of menstruation, or maybe too scanty menstruation. Complaints before menstruation may find females at change of life with one side of the body greatly hypertrophied, sore nipples of nursing females. In skin, symptoms of Lycopodium are corns, which are very sensitive, or with tearing pains, exanthema in general, particularly with biting sensation, moist, scurfy, tearing and painful, boils which bleed a great deal all the time, want of action of the skin, itch, burning, creeping, gnawing, skin scurf, sticky, clammy, brown mortification, pale swelling, ulcers in general, bleeding, burning on the edge, scabby, fistulous, hard on edge, itching, painless, tearing, salt rheum, varices, suppurating. In fever, symptoms of Lycopodium are chilliness in general, dry heat, heat with want of perspiration, perspiration stinking, perspiration viscid. Sensations of Lycopodium are sensation of coldness in inner parts, numbness or insensibility, pinching pains, particularly in inner parts, sensation as if single parts had gone to sleep, drying pains in outer parts, drying from above downward, or pains running from above downward. Generalities of Lycopodium are affections in general of right eye, right side of the face, right hypochondrium, right abdominal ring, left chest, left lower extremity, general symptoms right side, though they may spread to the left, hair of the head, rectum, bladder, hands, fingers, finger joints, back part in the lumbar region, feet, ankles, legs, and lower extremities in general. Hard hearing, smell too sensitive, deep furrows on the face, same on forehead, sensation in the temples, collection of water in the mouth waters, obstructed evacuation, painless diarrhea, anything running from right to left, apoplexia, erythism of blood, accompanied with flashes of heat, chlorosis, consumption resulting from badly treated pneumonia, crooked legs, ankles weak, emaciation in general, painless paralysis, old sprains, tension, tightness or stiffness of the joints, weakness of the joints, great debility, swelling of the glands, enlargement of the bones, caries of the bones, arthritic notes. Lycopodium patient is worse in the afternoon from 4 to 8, worse in the evening, worse before midnight, worse after eating, worse if only a very little. This may be a sensation of great fullness, perhaps extending clear up to the throat. China, fullness is felt after eating a full regular meal. Lycopodium, fullness after eating or drinking a little. Can't eat anymore, though would like to, as they feel so very full. Wrapping up the head aggravates, or even from wearing the hat or bonnet aggravates. Worse from worse before menstruation, worse from suppressed menstruation, while lying down aggravates, must change the place every little while, worse lying on either side, worse on lying down and rising, worse from lamplight or gaslight, worse from looking fixedly at any point, worse from eating cabbage, aggravation from cold food generally, must have everything warm, aggravation from eating vegetables with husks, aggravation from drinking, aggravation from pressure from without, even of the clothes, must loosen them, especially with the full feeling. Aggravation after rising from a seat, worse from strong smells, worse while urinating, worse on getting warm in the open air, worse in the wind, worse from wrapping up one's self. Patient feels better on getting cool, better in company, better from eructation, better up or down eructation, from uncovering the head, from loosening the garments, from moving, after rising from a seat, after uncovering the body, generally from warm or hot things, and from getting warm in bed. वीडियो में बताई गई जानकारी यदि उपयोगी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक और मित्रों में शेयर करें जिससे और लोग भी लाभ उठावें। घंटी का बटन दबाएं ताकि अगले वीडियो की सूचना आपको मिल जाए। कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर बताएं कि आप होम्योपैथी में क्या जानना चाहते हैं, मैं उस विषय पर वीडियो बनाने का प्रयास करूंगा। चैनल को अधिकतम लोगों के लिए उपयोगी बनाने के लिए अपने सुझाव लिखें। वीडियो को धैर्यपूर्वक अंत तक देखने के लिए आभार और धन्यवाद। होम्योपैथी safer and superior medicine. Use homeopathy, stay healthy and improve your immunity.